helicopters. Because it is actually mainly for inspection, it can carry on three. Yeah, two ukuui.
And for medevac, it will carry how many?
Two.
Services in an optimal, more efficient, and to make sure we can improve on efficiency as we are.
A significant step in the actualization of your vision of a whole-of-government approach to problem solving. Moving forward, Your Excellency, the board, which I chair, will continue to guide the National Air Support Department in ensuring that the department maintains the highest level of proficiency in aviation operations. As a next step, the National Air Support Department must, in a few months from now, increase levels of aircraft availability through repair action and streamlining of operating procedures.
Totaling 36 aircraft, helicopters and gyrocopters, which we have just seen, manned by 273 well-trained and motivated personnel. Ladies and gentlemen, the enhanced consolidated capacity, no doubt, will provide us with adequate means of transportation for swifter response to situations across every corner of our country. It will also guarantee greater safety through higher quality and more frequent servicing and maintenance checks. Under a single pool, our aviation assets and facilities will benefit from economies of scale and easier upgrading. The combining of experience brought from both the military as well as our civilian aviators will definitely be a great asset to this department